Alright, so getting this thing ready to go to the track, I was cleaning out the air filter when I noticed this. There's a little air intake duct here, which if you follow it, it goes through here. It's really hard to see, but it's right here. And it comes in through here. This is in the way, and there's a duct which is turning downward, but not just turning downward, it's actually turning and facing the side of this here, which I don't know what the purpose of this is. There is an opening, but for this car, which is the 2-liter turbo, it's facing the wrong way. So what we're going to try to work on is to just see if we can cut this here and run a tube and let it sit right around here, because this is where the air filter sits. Alright, so after using a Milwaukee soldering gun, little M12, I outlined an opening. So there's the opening, widened up. You can see through there, which if you turn this thing around this way, you can now see out. So now I'm going to get some fresh air right here where the air. And I've taken this piece here and we cut some slits on it, and that's to allow this to slide in. It's going to sit right around here. I'm going to put this piece right behind that little air scoop so it can funnel the air towards this direction. Alright, there's the piece reinstalled back where it was sitting, and as you can see, we have a lot of light coming in and the air flowing in our direction towards the airbox. So now we should be able to get a little bit of cooler air. We're not looking for a ram air effect of any sort. This is just to help out the intake air temperatures with the air charge and cool it down, get some outside air. One thing for sure is that it's much better than the air coming from the engine. Alright, so we're all finished. We're all set. Everything's being installed. Don't forget to check your owner's manual, page 219. And read the section under track events and competitive driving. You'll see that it's going to tell you to add 1 extra quart of oil. Use another fan, but I've programmed mine via the HB Tuner software to turn on earlier, which you can hear them that they're on right now. And pump 99 octane or greater fuel. This is coming right from the owner's manual. Alright guys, thank you.